In this video, I'll show you how to print specific pages in Google Docs. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. At first, what you need to do, you need to head over to your Chrome browser, right? This is our Chrome browser, right? Then I would click on these dotted icons and open our Google Docs, right? I'll scroll down. This is Google Docs. Wait for it to open. Once it has opened, I'll click on this blank document, right? So I'm going to show you how you can print specific pages in Google Docs, right? So this is a new page displayed right here. So what I need to do, I can come on here and type in how to edu, right? So once I'm done, I'll click on my shift, enter, right? To take me to another page, right? You would hold on the shift, then you'd be clicking the enter button, right? Then we have gotten to another page. I think, yeah, another page. So what I'll type in this page, I'll type in growth, right? Right. So I'll click on the shift, enter to take me to the third page, right? So this is the third page. I'll come on here and type MS Word, right? MS Word. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can print specific pages, right, in Google Docs. So once you are done, we have 3 pages right here. What I need to do now, I'll click on this print icon, right? Once I've clicked on it, scroll down. Yeah, this is it. So from here, you can see pages, right? There are 3 pages on here from this print preview. The first page has how to do. Second page has growth. Third page has MS Word, right? So what I need to do now, I'll click on these pages. I'll click on custom, right? Then once I've clicked on custom, you can come on here. Let's say you want to print page 2. Once you click on this 2, right? If you want to print this, you'd only print this growth page, right? This is the second page. This is the second page. If you come on here, if you type in tray, you print already the MS Word, right? So you can come on here, you can choose any page of your choice. This is 1. You can remove this, you can do 2. Remove this, you can do 3, right? So once you're done, you can print any page of your specific choice. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.